What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing what if Raditz was sent to Earth instead of Goku. So, Frieza is getting worried because Robin and Doria aren't answering his calls because Raditz killed them both. So, he decides to call in the Ginyu Force. The Ginyu Force comes while Raditz and Krillin, yes, he still made friends with Krillin. I just skipped that part in part 1 because he just defeated King Piccolo. Okay, so while they're trying to find the Dragon Balls, the Ginyu Force shows up. But Raditz ultimately defeats them all, except for Captain Ginyu. So Captain Ginyu changes bodies with Raditz, but then the whole frog thing happens, and Raditz's power level right now, because he healed himself in the healing chamber, is now at... Actually, no, not the healing chamber. Krillin probably brought some sensu beans, just in case. So now his power level is at 4 million, a high power level. Then Frieza sees that the Ginyu Force isn't answering his calls, so he decides to take matters into his own hands. In his first form, Raditz is able to beat the life out of him. He sees that he's heavily outmatched, so he goes into his final form, and because Krillin is here, he ultimately finds a Death Beam and kills Krillin. Actually, not a Death Beam, the same way he killed Krillin in the original series, and we all know how that played out. So Raditz gets super angry, and he becomes the Super Saiyan and destroys Frieza, and that's where we're going to be leaving things